The history of the Franz Hermle Sohn Clock Company. Franz Hermle Sohn GmbH and Company KG, commonly known as Hermle, is one of the world's leading clockmakers, renowned for its precision clock movements and high-quality timepieces. The company has played a central role in maintaining Germany's reputation for fine mechanical clockmaking throughout the 20th and 21st centuries. The company was founded in 1922 by Franz Hermle in Gosheim, a small town in the Swabian Alps of southern Germany. At its inception, Hermle was a modest operation focused on producing mechanical clock movements for other clock manufacturers. The Hermle trademark is represented by the letters FHS positioned above a stylized image of a clock face with hands set to 7:23. It is typically stamped onto the backplate of mechanical clock movements. Many times, the clock plate is simply stamped Franz Hermle, while some clocks have no stamp at all. By the 1930s, Hermle had built a strong reputation for precision, durability, and craftsmanship, and it became a trusted supplier to both domestic and international clients. The company's focus on quality control and innovation helped distinguish it in a competitive market. Despite the disruptions of World War II, Hermle resumed production in the late 1940s and quickly became a key player in revitalizing the German clock industry. During this time, Franz Hermle's sons joined the business, helping expand operations and diversify its product range. The company officially became Franz Hermle Sohn. Hermle began producing not only movements but also complete clocks, including grandfather clocks, wall and mantle clocks, regulator clocks, anniversary clocks, and skeleton clocks. In the 1950s and 60s, Hermle became a major exporter, supplying mechanical movements to clockmakers worldwide, including in the United States, the UK, and Japan. Many American clock companies, such as Howard Miller and Ridgway, relied on Hermle movements in their own branded clocks. As quartz technology surged in popularity in the late 20th century, many traditional clock manufacturers struggled. Hermle, however, adapted by expanding into quartz and battery-operated movements while maintaining its dedication to mechanical engineering. This strategic diversification allowed Hermle to stay competitive without abandoning its heritage. In 1977, the company opened a U.S. subsidiary, Hermle North America, in Amherst, Virginia. This facility served as both a manufacturing plant and distribution center, enabling Hermle to better serve the North American market and assemble clocks closer to their final destination. Throughout the 1980s and 90s, Hermle also developed advanced CNC machining capabilities, which further improved the precision and efficiency of its mechanical production processes. Today, Hermle remains a family-owned business and is among the few companies in the world still producing high-quality mechanical clock movements on a large scale. The company is highly regarded for its regulator clocks, skeleton clocks, and custom-built timepieces. Key highlights of the modern era include the continued production of traditional mechanical movements, including 8-day and 31-day models, a line of modern and contemporary clock designs. Appealing to a new generation, restoration and reproduction of historical clock models, ongoing partnerships with major clock brands worldwide. Hermle movements are known for their modular construction, durability, and reliability, making them favorites among both collectors and clock repair professionals. Franz Hermle Sohn has maintained a nearly century-long legacy by balancing tradition and innovation. Its clocks are widely considered heirloom quality, often passed down through generations. The company has also contributed significantly to the preservation of mechanical horology in an increasingly digital world. Whether as a supplier to other brands or through its own timepieces, Hermle's name continues to symbolize German precision, engineering excellence, and timeless craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.